Welcome to this video, and today I will show you how can you make a website like this. As you can see on the screen, this is a simple age calculator, okay? And now I will show you how much money this website is making, okay? So, and then what we can do, we will, with the help of AI, we will try to make something similar. Okay, so first of all I will show you how much this website is making. So if you give me a moment, I will show you that. So we will go to this page here called the worth of web. Okay, so when we click on that, and we will paste the link of the website, and we will go to, this is the main page basically, and as you can see this website is making 49,000 plus, okay, dollars per day. That is unbelievable, and making this number is quite big. Okay, so you can see how much money this website is making and what is the worth. Okay, so I will show you today how can you make something similar. So this is actually a one page of this website, but if we go back to calculator.net, as you can see, they have mortgage calculator, loan calculator, and all that. We can make something similar, okay? But for today I will show you just one tool, and then you can make multiple pages, and then you can link them together and make like a website like this here. Okay, for example, if I go to a mortgage calculator, let's say, okay, so you can make something similar as well. Okay, so what I can do right now is that I will go back to this calculator. Okay, and the first thing I can do is that I will take a screenshot. Okay, I will take a screenshot. So this is a snippet tool. You can have it in your PC as well. If you're using PC or Mac, you should have a snippet tool. Click on new, and then copy this. Okay, just copy until this point here, and make sure you click on copy, and yeah, it's copy now. And you can use this tool called yourware.so, and I will also show you this tool here called Lovable. Okay, so we will make this website, this tool, using these two tools. Okay, so what I can do right now is that I will paste the screenshot here, Control V, and I will say I like to build a age calculator tool like this, but more better and elegant design. Okay, elegant design, and I will click on like I send the request, and now this tool now is working in the background. Okay, so now for the moment what we can do, I will come back to Lovable, and I will do the same thing. I will paste the screenshot. Okay, copy, because I already copied it, so I paste it now here, and I will say I like to make a age calculator tool like this, but much better design and UX. Okay, means user experience. So I will click I will send the request, and let's see what's gonna happen. So this tool is working in the background, and now this is also working. So let's see what we have. Yeah, Yes, so it's working. So as you can see, this is the code. Okay, and this is a tailwind. I mean, you don't have to worry about what code is that, but I'm just saying, if you know programming, tailwind is the styling the website. Okay, is a language for styling the website. Okay, so it's basically CSS, if you know, but you don't have to know all these terms. Okay, so we will see like the outcome soon from this tool. Okay, here is your where result. Okay, from your where.so. So for example, date of birth. Okay, so date of birth, elegant age calculator. Okay, today's date is, yeah, today is 29th of April, and let's say I was born in June on the 4th, and I was born in, let's say, no, I'm not that old, maybe around 1990, and calculate. All right, select all fields. We don't have anything else left. So okay, so we are getting this problem. So what I can do, I can ask for changes. So I can just come here. I will say when I submit the request, I cannot see the result. Make it or fix it. All right, so yeah, so we send the request, and for the now, okay, so lovable is still working. Okay, lovable is still working here. So let's see what we will come up with. Okay, okay, let's see. Yeah, it's modifying the code, adjusting, and let's see, hopefully it will come up. So I think lovable is ready as well. So let's see, lovable. All right, that looks good. So for example, is date of birth. So for example, like I like the user experience, like it's quite good. Genius. Okay, so for example, I want to select the year. I cannot select the year. That's because I can't be just clicking like this. I can't click anywhere here. Anyway, we can fix it. It's not a big problem. So let's say I choose this date here, and this is the result. Okay, age breakdown, 3 years, 7 months, and all that. Wow, I mean, I really like, and you can have a quick summary here as well. Okay, the only thing is I will say like I really like to have the improvement from this. Basically, when we click on this one, we should be able to select the year, which we can pass here. Okay, it's not a problem. So but I really like the result here. As you can see, it's really really amazing. So let's say I choose something else, and then it will get updated. Okay, total time, this is the time, total hours, 0 years, 4 months, 18 days. Okay, this is a quick summary, and all right, so that's okay, that's very good. I really like it. Okay, so you can fix this. Okay, you can pass more instructions to fix this. Okay, so for example here, okay, I can pass the instructions. I will say I like to improve the UX of selecting the dates, as there is no way we can select the year. I like the designs, so just fix the UX of of selecting the year. Okay, so we pass these instructions, and let's see what we will have. Now I will check like you are where. So all right, it says fixed. So let's say this is my date of birth, let's suppose, and yeah, so calculate. Please select all the fields. I have selected all the fields, so what is the issue? Okay, so what I can do, I will take a new screenshot of this, and I will pass that. Okay, so I will pass that image coming up with this error. All right, so this is working in the background. So so we are getting an error from Livable, and I will see like what is the issue, and then I will click on try to fix it. Okay, so let's see what happens. So as you can see, building stuff with AI is easier than before, but still you have to have some workarounds, okay, to make it work. Okay, so all right, so let's see what we will have right now. I'm just waiting, and if you guys like these videos, please hit the like button and subscribe, and let me know in a comment box what else you'd like me to build. Okay, and I will give a shot. Okay, so let me know. All right, so let's see if I choose this one here and I choose this one. Okay, please select all the fields. I mean, is already selected, like I don't know. Okay, so I don't know what is the issue. Let's say January 3rd, 1999. Okay, when I select 1998, the day change again, so I have to select that. And now today the date is April and is 29 and 2029. So please select all. Okay, so because I have changed the year, now I have to change. Okay, let's say this one. All right, now I understand the issue, but still this is not a very good UX. We can pass these instructions, but I really like the design. Your age is 31 years 3 months and 11 days. Your next birthday is in 265 days. So that's very good. I really like it. I really like the design. So very good, well done. But still we need to fix with few issues, and let's see. Okay, so Lovable having issues to fix this, but now we can, yeah, okay, we can now select the year. You see, so we can select the year and the date, and yeah, so it's all good to go. So 35 years old, 0 months, 24 days. Okay, so that's very good. So this is okay, we can just ignore that because this is what we wanted. We want to actually select the year itself. So now it is working from here as well, and this is very good. Okay, so now what you can do, you can actually copy all this code, download all the code, and then or publish it to GitHub, download the code and put into your server and make it your own. Okay, and then of course then you have to discuss about it in your videos. Somehow you have to get the page out, use advertisement, whatever, to put on the forums. Okay, put on the sign up on forums, put this website somewhere so people are keep coming and talk about it and use it. Okay, and then you can monetize it. Okay, So if you want to learn how to put that into a server, I can make a video on that, because that will be a total different dedicated video. I will make this video soon, okay, but it's gonna be a video for itself. Okay, so yeah, so I am very happy with the result. Okay, and you guys tell me, what do you think? You happy with the lovable design, or you are happy with the design of your wear? Okay, to be honest, I like both, but I think that this lovable design is more neat. Okay, I really like it. So it has everything like in large figure, but this is also great. I mean, this is also nice, to be honest. So that's it, guys, for this video. If you like it, please hit the like button, subscribe, and if you learn something from this, please share it, and let me know what else you like me to build, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.